Chevy Trax came in. No blower motor working. We checked the fuses under the hood, fuse under the dash, relay, and we're thinking it's the blower motor, or the resistor, which is under the dash here. Be one-handed here, give me a minute. It looks like somebody's been in there and replaced the plug-in, and it's been worn. Well, I'd say that's the problem. Alright. It's like 7:30 seconds. There's the resistor. And if it's been that hot, I'd replace the blower. Advise to place the blower motor too. It is right there. Looks like it's also 7:30 seconds. See if I can get back in here. Looks like there's one clip right there. This mechanism coming out of there. And we can see the blower.